Hey guys, Andrew here from JMI Company. I just received my Sentry demo in the mail today from EdgeTech, and before I send this off to my customer for some in-field testing, wanted to give you my first impressions. Since I've got this probe in my hand, let's start there. So this is a multi-sensing continuous DewPoint monitor. So what that means, let me get this off here. What that means, there we go, is this sensor tip right here is continuously monitoring for dew point and pressure. This has to be the coolest part of this entire setup, because let's say you needed to recalibrate this in the field. You simply unscrew the sensor tip, and this is the only part that needs to be replaced. This is a circuit board that is factory calibrated, and so all you need to do in field is simply pull straight up, take this part off, order a new one, put the new one in, and you're back in business. Since all of the circuit boards are normalized at the same calibration, when you get the new one from the factory, that really is all you have to do. You're going to get the same accuracy out of this probe just by replacing that one little piece. The rest of this can be reused, reconnected, and there it is. You're good to go. Now, the display. It's a very simple display. You've got the probe here connected by this wire, and then you've got 24 volts of power on this side. By the way, when you're going to recalibrate, make sure it's turned off. You just don't want to be hurting anything ever, right? Here's the display. Very simple. You're going to get your dew point and your pressure reading right here. Alarms, horns, and strobes. Different levels of horns. You got 85 decibels or 100 decibels. So whatever works best for you. This whole thing is optional. It's going to give you a 4 to 20 out. Here's the acknowledge. It'll give you a 4 to 20 out, or it'll give you RS-232. And this is relatively inexpensive, but for my customer, they happen to be using just this probe. They may not even use the display. This will give you a very nice 4 to 20 out, again, RS-232, but the probe can communicate 0 to 10 volts straight out of the probe. So if you need a display, they've got a very nice simple one here. And if you're trying to save on cost, all you need is this. So that's pretty much what I had for you. What I'm going to do is, in a couple of weeks, I'm going to get some real live feedback on how this thing really works in the field, and we'll find out. Hopefully it works pretty well for the customer. Thanks. Talk to you soon.